This lesson shows you how to calculate the constant rate of change. A rate of change is the rate at which one quantity changes in relation to another. If the rate of change is constant, it's called a linear relationship. In a horizontal table like this one, the first row are x values. The second row are y values. The rate of change is the difference in the y values over the x values. From this table, you can calculate the change in cost over the lines of code, and you have 2,000 minus 1,000 over 100 minus 50. 3,000 minus 2,000 over 150 minus 100, and 4,000 minus 3,000 over 200 minus 150, for a constant rate of change of $20 per line. In the table in example 1, x values are in the left-hand column, and the y values are in the right-hand column. The difference in cost over the number of cars is 80 minus 40 over 10 minus 5, 120 minus 80 over 15 minus 10, and 160 minus 120 over 20 minus 15, for a constant rate of $40 for 5 cars, or $8 per car. If you think you've got it, pause the video and try this problem. For got it A, 580 minus 290 over 60 minus 30. 870 minus 580 over 90 minus 60. And 1160 minus 870 over 120 minus 90. The rate of change is a constant 290 over 30, or 9 2/3 miles per minute. You must make all three calculations in order to verify a constant rate of change. For got it B, 216 minus 144 over 3 minus 1. 288 minus 216 over 4 minus 3. And 360 minus 288 over 5 minus 4. The rate of change is a constant 72 students per bus. Notice you must make all three calculations in order to verify a constant rate of change. You can also find the rate of change from a graph. In example 2, pick any 2 points on the line. The rate of change is the difference in distance, the y values, divided by the difference in hours, the x values, for 60 miles per hour. Since the graph is a line, you know the rate is constant, so you only have to make one calculation. If you think you've got it, pause the video and try this problem. Using any 2 points, the rate of change is the difference in distance, 90 minus 30, divided by the difference in hours, 3 minus 1, which is 60 miles over 2 hours, for 30 miles per hour. The point 0, 0 represents 0 miles in 0 hours. The point 1, 30 represents 30 miles in 1 hour. In example 4 from the table, pedal rental charges $12 per hour. From the graph, Supercycle charges $8 per hour. Supercycles is the better deal. This lesson showed you how to calculate the constant rate of change. And this lesson was brought to you by the Math Fun Academy. Its continuing mission: to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new math and new equations, to boldly go where no math student has gone before.